Would you fly a plane without training? Probably not. So why risk your money before practicing trading? Today I'll show you the best free paper trading platforms that let you learn like a pro without risking a single dollar. Paper trading lets you buy and sell stocks using virtual money. It's the safest way to learn day trading before investing your own cash. My number one choice is Charles Schwab's Thinkorswim. It's one of the most professional trading platforms available to retail traders. You get real-time market simulation, advanced charts, stock scanners, options trading, futures trading, level 2 market data. If you open a Schwab account, you can continue using paper money without a fixed expiration. If you don't have an account, Schwab also offers 30-day guest pass. Second is interactive brokers. This platform is used by many professional traders worldwide. Its paper trading account includes almost every feature you will use with a real account. You will practice with $1 million of virtual buying power using real market conditions. If you're completely new to trading, Webull is probably the easiest place to start. It offers free paper trading, unlimited virtual cash, real-time market data, simple charts, mobile and desktop apps. And there is no time limit on practicing. TradingView is famous for its beautiful charts. Its free paper trading account lets you practice directly from the chart while learning technical analysis. It's available for everyone and doesn't expire. So if your dream is financial independence through trading, don't rush into live markets. Spend at least 100 paper trades proving your strategy first. The goal isn't to make fake money, it's to build a real discipline. If this video helped you, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thank you for watching.